Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho CRM assignment and routing for faster response step by step clearly. To activate Zoho CRM assignment and routing, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the settings menu, select automation to find options related to workflow management. Under the automation section, click on assignment rules. You will now see the option to create new assignment rules. Click on the Create Rule button to begin setting up your new rule. In the rule creation window, provide a descriptive name for your rule to easily identify its purpose. Next, define the criteria that will trigger this assignment rule. You can set criteria based on various parameters, such as lead source or deal size. Once you've defined the criteria, proceed to specify the assignment method. You can choose to assign records to specific users, teams, or round-robin distribution. Adjust the settings to ensure the assignments align with your team's structure and responsiveness. After setting the assignments, save the rule to complete the creation process. Next, navigate back to the automation section and select routing rules. Click on Create Routing Rule to set. Similar to the assignment rules, provide a name for your routing rule for clarity. Define the conditions that will determine how incoming records are routed. Options may include lead origin, geographic location, or specific product interest. Once you have established the conditions, choose the routing criteria. This can involve directing records to specific teams or utilizing workload balancing. After configuring the routing preferences, save your new routing rule. Review both assignment and routing rules to ensure they accurately reflect your team's needs. To test the setup, create a sample record and check how it gets assigned and routed. Monitor the efficiency of the system and make adjustments as necessary based on your team's feedback. This will help ensure a quicker response to leads and streamline overall operations within Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you have successfully activated assignment and routing in Zoho CRM for faster response times. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.